So you woke up from a dream and you saw yourself looking in the refrigerator. Why are you looking in the refrigerator? What's going on? That actually has a meaning to it. Don't just say you just had a dream about a refrigerator. So today we about to go over the dream symbol, refrigerator. So what does a refrigerator mean in a dream? Well, overall, a refrigerator is representing things that are stored in your heart. It can representing things that are being preserved in your heart. What are you seeing in the refrigerator? Is it something fresh? Is it fresh food? Is it stale food? Is it old food? Pay attention to that because it's going to tell you what's either fresh, stale, or old that your heart is preserving. Okay, so that's important to know. The refrigerator represents also things that are stored in a heart to feed the house, or to feed your understanding, or to feed what your heart desires. If that makes sense to you, pay attention to that. The refrigerator, the stove, and the kitchen is what generates life to the house to continue to go on. So if you're dreaming about a refrigerator, you're looking and you're seeing things that are generating the life of your heart's expectancies, the life of your heart's desires, the life of what your heart is preserving. God could be preserving something in your life. That's why you're looking in the refrigerator, or you're looking in the deep freezer. That's a heavy preservation. That could be representing some eternal preservation, eternal things, a deep freezer, and so these are some of the representations of a refrigerator. So again, look at other things, other scenes, and other factors in the dream to tell you what is being preserved, reserved, or stored in your heart. Okay, what your heart is eating, what is being fed. All right. And so I advise you, go ahead and inbox me your dreams. If you had a dream about a refrigerator, inbox me your dreams so we can tell you what God is preserving, or what is being preserved in your heart that you may need to take out, or what God is wanting to make room for. So today we went over the dream symbol refrigerator.
Thank you.